outside here. Dahil even last year, hindi ako nakakapasok dito dahil hindi ko nanalo sa MOA. So this is my first win. This is his first win dito sa MOA under ng But I think I challenged the guys half time. I tried to push them. I told them that they have to show their worth. They gotta play their game and they gotta play their potential. And it was a great third quarter for us. We were hitting big 3-point shots. Paul and Von here, they hit a big 3-point shot. We tightened up on defense. We made NU throw the basketball away, and we took advantage of it.
You said last week that you didn't see the real Warriors being the real Warriors.
Well, the second half, especially the third quarter, is the real Warriors that I've been looking for. Kasi as I've told you last game that it was not the Warriors that I see every day in practice. It's not the same team that I see for the last 3-4 weeks. But at the start of the third quarter, it was the Warriors that I've been looking for since last Saturday.
Coach, your thoughts on how RR played considering you didn't have Samir and Ojo?
Well, our played a great defense on Aroga. He held his own on Aroga. I know that we will not be able to stop Aroga one-on-one, but he made him work, and then he was playing defense and shots. So RR really played well tonight. As you can see that I think he played how many minutes more than this average siguro. This is pinakamaraming laro. No? So that's why the whole second half we played only 20 minutes. But yeah,
Masaya po. Siyempre, unang laro ko din sa Philippines. Una, parang pinagalitan nga kami ni Manu dahil pangit daw yung mga laro namin. Tapos nung second quarter, sabi namin sa nag-huddle kami, mga player, tapos sabi namin, bawi tayo guys, ibalik natin yung intensity natin para manalo pa. Hindi tayo mananalo, hindi tayo nag-defense sa team.
one just arrived last Wednesday night after the game on last Saturday. He left for General Santos dahil namatay yung kuya niya. So he came back Wednesday night and then practiced for 2 weeks.
Last week, 18 points, you're 21. You're very happy with your even passing your series.
Para sa amin, pantay mo kami lahat. Walang pantay. Sino suswerte yun? Parang wala kaming player ngayon. Di namin di namin
Kasi ano na.
di namin gaya ng last year may player parang ganun. Lahat kami teamwork. Kailangan namin ng teamwork ngayon. Unibig po. Actually, one pinsan ko lang sa pero doon ako lumaki sa kanya.
Ka pa natulong ng basketball.
Oo, parang ganun. Bata pa kami, 5 years old pa lang siguro.
Hindi mo ba naramdaman mo siya ngayon?
Sa dalawang laro ko, UP at saka NU, parang sabi ko, kuya, tandaan mo ko sa laro namin, sana ibibigay mo ng best game ko. 38 po. Ay, blood po.
Yes, yes, yes. First ang mga lipak mo. As I saw him play for Phil Wines, ano to, 20 something, right? Pumunta ko kahit 8 o'clock in the morning sa hoops. I was just watching him. Two of them, actually, kasi pala yung isa medyo underage. The best one I was, I like him because he can play, he can run the team, he can run the point. But I use him as a second guard.
Coach, yung
challenged the veterans, no? Right after first nung natalo ko sa UP, I talked to the veterans that if you watch all the games that played, no, it was all the veterans na nagdadala sa team. We can't get the rookies trying to settle the team, you know, trying to pacify the team, trying to get a team. The veterans, we need the veterans there. Just like Paul, which I think he played a lot better today because he got hurt and he was out for like 2 months. He was out for like 2 months because of MCL. And I challenged him. I told him that, you know, if you don't feel well, I mean, you're still not 100%, then don't shoot up. Because if you shoot up, I'm assuming that you are 100%. So he cannot just play half-hearted there or you're scared out there. Today's game, he showed that he is a veteran.
Hope you're playing next year against Adamson. Can you say anything? Wala pang panalo na.
It's a game that I'm worried about, you know. Because it's a big win today, and I think the boys, and this is a good win for us, but we cannot underestimate Adamson. We cannot think that we beaten the defending champion, and Adamson is an easy game. So I think that's why I'm worried about this team. This team, very dangerous team, but it's more of the mentality.